Okay, install natin yung battery cable. Mag-add tayo ng battery, Dynes battery. Same voltage, same ampere hour, and then same life cycle. Okay, remove natin yung ating battery cable dito. And then, ita-transfer natin papunta ron. Okay, gagawin natin, di-disconnect natin yung ating battery cable dito sa solar inverter natin. Negative and then yung positive. Okay, disconnect na yung ating cable. At yung ating bracket ay eto, connected na rito. I-install natin yung ma-mount natin yung bracket diyan. Okay, install natin yung ating battery cable. Okay, ito yung ating battery cable connected na sa ating hybrid solar inverter. And then going doon sa ating battery. Ito yung ating battery, Dynes battery. Okay, install natin yung ating cable. Okay, ito yung ating kasama, si Dang. Ito yung katulong natin sa solar wiring installation natin. Okay, connected na yung ating wiring. Gagawin natin, i-power na natin. Okay, ito na yung ating Dynes battery. From sa solar inverter, yung ating communication cable, BMS to CAN sa master, and then ito ay slave from sa out ng battery natin, ito sa master, yan sa master, going dito sa slave. Okay, i-check natin yung ating hybrid solar inverter. Okay, charging na yung ating hybrid solar inverter dito sa ating battery. Thank you po.